What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Please like, subscribe, and check out all my videos. I really thank all the support I've been getting. But today I want to talk about, is it worth it getting solar panels to save you money? Alright, that's a good question that I get a lot, and I'm going to try to explain it the best I can, in my opinion only. And my opinion is no, it's not best to get solar panels just to save money. I'll show you why in a second. I just want to show you my little system right now. I do have a small solar system set up right now, but it will be getting bigger as time goes on. I have two 100 watt solar panels. Let me show you the inside. Sorry about my messy garage, don't mind it. And then inside I just got 4 batteries, a charge controller, a few things, an inverter, and then this is my it tells me all the info. Now, the question, like I said, should you buy solar panels to save money? And my answer is no, you should not. Simply because right now solar is still expensive, and I'm gonna show you my electricity bill, and we're gonna go off of that to see how much it would cost me to put a full solar system in my on my house to power everything. All right, so here is my actual electricity bill, and as we will go on, so I've been using last month I used 14.1 kilowatt hours average a day. In January, I used 19.1 kilowatt hours a day. Right now, my average daily cost for electricity is $2.41 a day. All right. So for a year, that's $880. All right. Now I did a little bit of research, and I wanted to see how much a 20 kilowatt solar system would cost for me to install. Now, without incentives from the government and stuff like that, a 20 kilowatt hour solar system would cost me $62,000. All right, that's before all this incentives and federal discounts. Now, after federal discounts and stuff, it'll cost me around $43,000 to install a full solar panel system to power my whole house. And to pay that off, it would take me 50 years to pay that off, using the average of $2.41 a day. So basically, now you would normally get a loan in order to get all that money to install a solar panel system. And that being said, you would have to pay interest, and it would be paid off in 30 years. Normally, they're about 30-year loan. So you'll actually be paying more for your loan than you would just for your actual energy. Right now, the cost of a kilowatt hour is really cheap. I think it's about 18 cents an hour, or I'm sorry, 18 cents a kilowatt hour, which isn't bad at all. It's actually pennies on the dollar if you think about it. And so, is it really worth it just to save money? No, it is not. But is it worth it to get a solar panel system? Yes, it is. Even if it doesn't power your whole house, it is a great idea to get a solar panel system. And here's why. Because you're more independent on electricity. And we really don't. We take electricity for granted until it's out. And then everyone panics. And they go get gas, and they, do all this stuff, and everyone just freaks out. And when you have a solar panel system, even a small one like mine, you could power lights, you could charge your cell phones, you could still have your TV. I've shown videos of how to power your central heating system to have heat during the winter off of your solar panel system or generator. So that being said, it is still, I highly recommend getting a solar panel system, not just to save money, because it, like I said, solar panels are still pretty expensive compared to what you pay a kilowatt hour for as energy. Now, my biggest thing is being independent. So, with that being said, I do recommend getting a solar panel system, but don't get it to save money because you're not gonna at this point in time. Maybe sometime during the near future, you will. But at this time in 2018, you're still gonna pay a lot of money. Now, there are ways that you can still get a solar panel system and not cost you an arm and a leg, and that's doing it yourself. But doing it yourself, you gotta know what you're doing, all right? Because you're end up going to cost yourself a lot of money making costly mistakes, and you still have to get everything approved and permits and a certified electrician. But if you're able to do that stuff, you're going to save a ton of money. A 20 kilowatt system that I could put together myself will cost at least half the price of what a one being installed by a company will cost, if not less than half. So if you're really good with electronics and you know electricity, you know the dangers of what could happen, then yeah, I highly suggest doing it yourself, and you can save a lot of money if you have cash ready. You can do it, all right. And there are ways of doing it. There's ways of making it cheaper, like not having a battery bank. But not having a battery bank means you're still relying on the grid, because if the grid goes out, you still won't have electricity. So, but there are ways of doing it for cheap. You just gotta know the way of doing it, and I highly suggest if you don't, you get a certified electrician to do it, but it's gonna cost you money. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out all my solar panel videos. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.